Hi guys, so I'm finally letting you all in on my current hair secret, hair Botox. That's right, did you hear me? Hair Botox. This is from Nutri Professional. I'm obsessed with this. It's a hair mask that you can leave on your hair for about 30 to 40 minutes. I like to do it in the shower after I've shampooed my hair. It smells so good. But I love this because it has natural ingredients in it like marine collagen and almond oil. You can also use this on your dry hair, you guys. I just prefer to cut my time in half and do it in the shower. This makes your hair feel so nourished and strong and healthy and shiny, which is so important to me. It helps with deep hydration. You guys know I was blonde for 7 years and I'm still over here trying to get the health of my hair back. It also protects hair color. I just dyed my hair. Look at it all dark again. I'm so excited. So by the way, you guys, when I do this in the shower, I just tie it up into a bun and let it sit up there because yeah, I will be in the shower for the next 30 to 40 minutes. I know. Oh, also, it has a glutamic acid, which when I first read that, I thought, that sounds terrifying. Acid? But it's actually one of the most effective amino acids for your hair for anti-frizz and anti-humidity action. So it's really important. Are you guys seeing how easily my fingers are running through my hair right now as I'm rinsing out the product? Unreal. What I do next is I obviously get out of the shower and I towel wrap my hair for a little bit. I'll just do my face products. Once I'm done with that, this is when I go in and I just start brushing out the hair. Now I understand this part might sound silly, you guys, but I truly feel like how the brush was going to run through my hair after I've used this product was going to speak volumes to me because my hair gets tangled very easily and my hair felt so smooth. That's why I've been using this for a while now and I am truly in love. This is now a part of my weekly hair care and I could not be happier. All I want to do with my hair is just to make it strong and feel good, and I won't have to worry about it breaking off anymore or feeling damaged or a million split ends. This is truly helping me with that. Anyways, so I let my hair air dry about 10% and then I go back in and I blow dry the next 80%. And once my hair is like 90% dried, I let the rest air dry because although I want to blow dry my hair and use some heat on it, I don't want to do my entire head. Does that make sense? I try to limit the amount of heat I put on my hair while also still taking care of it. My hair is still like 10% wet. There's still some parts of my hair that need to dry off. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then we will finish this look. Oh yeah, look at that. As you guys saw, after I get out of the shower, I kind of let it air dry a little bit and then I blow dry it and then I let the rest kind of air dry. I don't like to do a full blow dry on the hair just to avoid just the extra heat styling since I am going to use a curling iron right now. It feels so smooth and soft. No extra product in it. That hair Botox really is so incredible. You guys know back in like June, I had to cut off like a good 4 or so inches off of my hair just because my ends were so bad. And I have been trying to nurse my hair back to the optimal health since I was blonde for 7 years. My hair is finally getting thick again. It's finally like getting to a good spot where it can grow and be beautiful. So the hair Botox is everything. For the styling of the hair, this is like my everyday kind of a wave curl. So I'm gonna take my fingers. I'm gonna go about like right above the ears and just pull back. Roll it around into a little ball. Clip, just clip it. I have this little tail. Do you see how smooth it's laying too after a blow dry with no product? You can do this with any size wand, I feel. I've done it with any size. I think the wand that I'm using is probably about a 1 inch or so. And I'm just gonna wrap it around a few times, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, grab and pull. Hair is kind of everything to me. It's my security blanket in a way. I feel like if my hair is done, I don't care if I have makeup on or have a cute outfit. If my hair looks good, I will look good anyways, thanks to that. The best part about this kind of a style is I can wear it for multiple days. And after I do my hair mask, because my hair feels so smooth and so healthy after, it allows my styles to last longer and still look good. Does that make sense? I don't have all like random flyaways or my ends are looking nasty. It just continues to look really sleek and healthy. And that is the goal. So after I finish this layer, I will do another one. And because my nails are longer, I just use those instead of a brush or anything. Also, you guys, about the hair Botox, I have a hair in my mouth. My hair smells like bubble gum. Oh my gosh, I love that flavor. You can grab smaller pieces, big pieces. I always mix it up. I don't really stick to the same thing the whole time, but when I curl them, then I take them, I like to pull them on the end, so it gives me more of that wave. See, you have this like effortless. Do you see how smooth my hair is laying right now without any product in it? My hair is getting longer too, you guys. Watch out, Rapunzel. The thing about hair too, you guys, it's the crown. I feel like your hair is your crown. You know what I mean? For women, men, anybody at all, everybody feels good when they have a fresh haircut. They just get their hair done. You just feel good. And in between haircuts and going to the salon, I wanna make sure that I'm doing the best that I can to take care of my hair. And something as easy as the hair Botox and doing a quick hair mask. Like, that does nothing. I just had to put that in my hair, and then I can sing in the shower for 30 minutes, or you can get out of the shower, get some stuff done, then go back in, rinse it out. That's easy. That's the easiest form of self-care to me, is a hair mask, because you don't have to do anything. You just put it in your hair and leave it, and then rinse it out and you're done. That's literally the easiest thing to do. And then for the top, all right, I'm gonna split this in half, okay? So this side and this side. But I do take this side and I kind of go from the back and split this in half. You guys know for me, I've done hair videos for years. I've tried so many products and so many styles. This is a style that I always just stick to because it helps with the health of my hair. I only have to curl my hair one day, and then the next few days I can just let it lay itself out. I can touch it up if I need to. Let it fall, which I think is always really pretty when curls and waves fall. I don't know, it looks so relaxed and natural and lived in, and I love that look. I love it. And as that cools off, we're gonna do the other side again from the back, split it in half, and boom, there you go, you're finished. Finished look, healthy hair for the win. Look at this. This can last as many days as you want. I also, if I'm like going out or something, I will take extensions, but only 2 wefts, and I'll add like one little one here and then one on this side, just so it kind of adds a little more fullness in the front. But look at this, isn't this pretty? And like I said, no product, no hairspray, no serums, no nothing, and the hair is laying so nicely. There you go, you guys. If you would like to get your hair, if you would like to get your hair on the hair Botox, if you would like to get your hands on hair Botox, I will have everything linked for you in the description box below. I love it. It is truly one of my favorite products right now for my hair. I'm really happy with my results. I have been using it for a few weeks now. I'm good to go. I'm obsessed. I'm super happy. I hope you guys are too. Take care of your hair. I feel like hair care is one of the easiest forms of self-care. You can just put something in it, let it soak it in the same way you take care of your skin. You want to take care of your hair. So yes, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Mwah. Bye guys.